Hello everybody, so this is a science experiment that I did 2 weeks ago. So now we are looking at the results of the experiment. So we put white bread slices into Ziploc bags and we put it in different places, and not just water, we also use oil, salt, different ingredients which I'll introduce in a short while. And let's see what happens to these individual bread slices. Let's see which one grows the most more. Okay, first we'll take a look at the one where we just put water and we put it in the fridge. Can you see? They looks pretty good. Okay, there's not much problem with it. Don't see any visible mold. Not that I will eat it though, because you never know what's inside. And now let's take a look at this one. This one I put outdoors, just water, but I didn't put it completely outdoors. I put it in this Ziploc bag, so maybe that's a mistake on my part. I should have put it completely outdoors. But you can see that, due to the sunlight exposure, you can see that it's turned brown compared to the one that I put it in the fridge, right? Because it's white bread, it's not brown bread. And this very spooky one, I think this is probably the most gross. This one is, we just put water and we put it in the dark space. Put it inside a cupboard and you see? Oh, it turned black and white like the mold. You can serve this as a breakfast for someone that you really dislike. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, don't serve it to anyone. I'm just joking. See? The mold. This one I put water only and I put it on the countertop at room temperature, you see? Surprisingly, the result, see? What's this part, man? It's like it's grown some cranberry inside. This black part and this greenish white part. No. This is not my breakfast. It's not going to be my breakfast. Let's see what's behind. Ew, this is disgusting. Okay, goodbye. Now, this one we didn't put anything and we put it at room temperature. Obviously, I think actually it probably is safe enough to eat even. It's probably very stale. And no, I still will not take the risk. I will not eat it. Let's take a look at this one. What is this? Salt and water. It just looks soggy from the mixture. This one we put at room temperature too. So I think there's nothing much wrong with it. Probably just very salty. Oh, ew, this is probably one of the most gross as well. No, I think this is the most gross. Can you see? Sugar and water we put at room temperature. Look at what happened. Oh, it looks like a rotten egg on top of this bread. You see? I don't even want to touch it with bare hands. Ew, this is completely gross. You see? It's like century egg or some sort. Ew, it feels like something has grown on it, definitely. And the last one, we put oil at room temperature. Surprisingly, it still looks quite good, except you can see that it's, oily. And you probably wouldn't want to eat this as well. So, looking at our results, which bread would you eat and which would you not eat? Leave a comment below. No, I'll probably not eat any of them. Seriously, these are going straight into the dustbin. Take a look. See? This is the one I made a mistake. I probably should have just put it completely outdoors. That's what you should do. And anyway, we put it for a period of 2 weeks, so don't forget. And if you do this experiment, please remember to leave comments below. And hope you had fun. Goodbye!